Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Shaiva Sadia from Ali Public School. As you all know, this crash course has started. It has benefited us with a lot of things. First, revising our syllabus. Second, with our scoring to help to score the good marks in our exams. And we were arranging those motivation classes also. This motivates us to how we have to score and how we have to not fail in our exams. And with best faculties we have started this. First Jamru sir, who is chemistry professor also, and our core principal of our college, and Mansur sir for social, and Asha Bibi ma'am, who is our Kannada teacher also. So we have got best benefited from this crash course. I hope you all are getting this benefits. So thank you, Jazakallah.
MashaAllah. This is how the students of Ali Public School speak. So do you see the standard there? Because we also create the leaders. It is not just the marks or other things. Okay? Yes. So with that note, let's get started with the program. Thank you very much, Shaiva Sadia.